A great tip for traders who use analysis. You need to wait and confirm that a trend is emerging before making a trade. That way you can be sure your trading strategy will work. The perfect trading quote for someone who forgets that trading is not like a regular 9-to-5 job. You won't make money every day, and if you're successful, you won't need to. Sit and wait for the right opportunity. Awesome trading quote about patience. It's a well-known fact that markets repeat themselves. If a situation appeared before, it will certainly reappear. It doesn't matter how good your market analysis is, it can still be wrong. You need to remember that it is not an exact science. The perfect trading quote for highlighting the importance of being a detached trader. Don't give in to the pressure the market puts on you. Stop watching the market so closely. You'll only end up trading too much, which is risky, and or close good positions too early. Either way, you'll lose money. Successful traders think more about protecting what they already have. That is always more important than making more money.